Huh. Or I'm a frog with a log, you know? I may be a frog, but I'm hung like a horse.
What's good, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It seems like Pepe coin wants to make a massive move either to the downside or the upside. We're going to look at some obstacles in the way and what we really need to see Pepe start to pump to the upside. If you're new to the channel, smash the subscribe. We've looked at coins recently and they've delivered some amazing gains to the community, such as the SpongeBob token as well as the Ocean DAO protocol, which exploded over 50x, and we looked at this back in May and June time, and then it went crazy. So subscribe if you like this sort of content. So Pepe coin, one of the most OG and popular meme coins of today, could easily be one of the next Shiba or Doge coins out there. So of course, not financial advice, this is all subjective. However, it's definitely time to have a look at this token. So we need to see Bitcoin break through 30.5k. We need to see the 31s, 32s and the 33s for this coin to actually follow the path and trajectory of Bitcoin, because if Bitcoin crashes, there is a risk we could see Pepe, of course, take a little bit of a dump over here. So 130,000 holders, we can see in the last sort of 2 weeks there's been another 5,000 holders for Pepe, which, to be honest, is actually quite a lot, isn't it? It's quite a lot indeed. Pepe coin, we're seeing most of the volume at the moment on Binance, which is pretty decent. We've got a lot on Qcoin, Uniswap, Kraken. So T1, T2 centralized exchanges, and these big dogs right here, these exchanges are looking for coins that do provide that liquidity and that volume, so they can, of course, make decent money off of liquidations, on leverage, future pairs, and of course just also spot trading with the fees that they can generate from these coins that have massive hype. And Pepe coin is still one of them, with 400,000 followers right now. So they've broken through that milestone. Still looks like potentially a good coin, maybe for the long-term hodl. So what we're seeing is, of course, a massive correction from this coin from May, where we saw Pepe explode from the euphoric blow off top. 70% correction, which is pretty typical normal sort of correction. And what I'm starting to see now for Pepe coin is a descending triangle on the macro. So it is a bearish continuation pattern. We might see the loss of support. By support level, I mean where we are seeing a ton of support around this region here for Pepe, around the 0.0 to the power of 51407 level. So if we do lose the support, we could come back into this green DCA level. In my opinion, this could be a nice place to potentially dollar cost average back into coins like Pepe. You're looking at a 40% potential correction. Otherwise, we could still get an explosion to the upside, but it does depend on what Bitcoin wants to actually finally do when it wakes up after 3 weeks of consolidation between 29.9 and like 31.4k. So 1.618 will take it up to 0.021, 2618 fib up to the 0.025, and then the 3618 to the 0.03. So that's really interesting to see. I think that's a major price target right there for Pepe coin. Of course, as the market capital does increase, the returns do slowly diminish. So you're only looking at like a 2x from the current price level. So the risk to reward ratio is not good enough for me right now. I would potentially wait for the Pepe coin to come down, where I believe there will be a lot of buyback pressure from this previous support level over here, where we had loads of buyback. Volume came up, price came up again in June after the major FUD. So extreme fear can be your friend sometimes with these sort of meme coin environments. Also, just want to do a quick shout out to Mr. Hanky coin. This pre-sale is now live. It's the South Park character, the walking, talking piece of shit right there. So number one shitcoin. If you like these sort of high risk, high reward coins, this has got a $500,000 low cap sort of raise that they're looking to do. It's going to happen probably in a day or 2 or 3. I've got a link down below for you guys to check out. If you want to buy some of this coin, you can do it on the ERC20 network, I believe, by connecting your MetaMask wallet. Tokenomics, we can see there's 1 billion tokens. Pre-sale gets 40%, liquidity gets 40%, marketing gets 10%, team will get 5%, and also the centralized exchange will get 5%. I believe they've got $200,000 worth of Ethereum liquidity LP locked in, and there will be exchange listings here for this particular coin. So not much more else to say. You've got to go do your own research on this one, but 7,000 followers on Twitter, and they are starting to generate a lot of hype through Telegram, Instagram, Twitter, TikTok, Discord, all of those kind of social handles out there. So looks pretty good. Let me know what you think about this one here. Absolute shit coin. Extremism here. This is like the elite shitcoin. that I really hope can deliver some gains similar to the Sponge token. Very, very similar marketing company and contacts pushing it just like the Sponge token that we saw. So there's a good chance maybe we can see a big pump there. I don't honestly know. Remember, I'm just a guy that makes YouTube videos, so don't copy me. I will grab some of this coin, to be honest, because I just feel like I'm FOMOing in, but it's a shit coin and it's where the money is moving at the moment. So yeah, check that one out down below. I've also got some other pre-sales there, but they're high risk, high reward. So don't risk more than you can afford to lose, and they're not financial advice. Mr. Hanky, what else can we talk about? Of course, the Jacob Crypto Clan. This is my Patreon page. I've got now 445 members joined. So if you like trading signals, pre-sales, straight to DEX launches, and all this early juicy stuff, you can consider becoming either a crypto hunter, a crypto warrior, a crypto champion, or guess what? A crypto legend. Doesn't that sound quite fancy? So 5 spaces remaining of that one. You're going to get all those juicy goodness things that you can see here: spot trade signals, leverage signals, early access to the straight to DEX tokens and launches. You're going to get technical analysts providing those signals for you. I'll just show you how the product looks right now whilst we're looking at it. So all these guys here providing insights for you. Really, really nice. They know what they're doing. They're very, very tenacious with their work. They're very accurate with their work. We've got the logbooks, we've got the spreadsheets that outlines their data and performance, and you've got all these other tabs on the left hand side of the Discord. So 17,000 members, we've got moderators, we've got everyone that you need to keep you safe in the crypto markets and protect you against malicious scammers, people with of course, you know, bad intent. So that's also in the forefront of our mind. It's security and safety for the users. So I hope you enjoyed this video. There's a bit of a wrap on the Pepe video. If you're not subscribed, do that already so you're up to date, and hit that notification bell. See you soon, everyone. Bye now.